Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with Juvia'S Place of the Mauves palette. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to make a little look with this today and see what we think about it. I got the other two as well, the new ones. But I'm going to do a separate video with them. That way we can kind of get what we feel about each of them separately. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses, put on a little bit of Milani eye primer real quick. Alright, so I'm taking my BK Beauty 202 brush, the fluffy taper brush, and I'm going into this like pink shade. It looks like it's got a little bit of sparkle in it too, but we're going to take that pink shade and I'm going to put that in my crease. This video is going to be going up a little later than normal, but I don't know what has been going on with me the past couple of days, but I have been, Callie, I've been having some stomach problems. I've been feeling nauseous for some reason. Callie, hopefully it's not the corona. Isn't that one of the symptoms? I'm going to take this lighter brown and I'm taking my BK Beauty 206 brush, just the it's a blending shader brush. It's a shader brush but fluffier. And I'm putting that on the outside corner of my eye. Alright, I'm taking this sparkly shade right in the middle. And I'm taking my BK Beauty 203 brush, just my flat shader brush. And I'm going to put that on the inner half of my eyelid. Taking a cotton round, some micellar water, just going to clean up any, well, there wasn't any fallout, but just my edges I got. I'm taking the number 7 Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer. And I'm going to put that on my face. Taking the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Taking my Sigma Multitasker F47 and I'm going to blend that out. Oh, and I'm in shade Ivory L2. Taking the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer in L12 Fair. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. And I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. Sorry, my camera cut off, but now I'm taking the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Perfecting Powder in Porcelain L1. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Taking the Milani Skin Light Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in 01. I'm going to use that to put some color on my face. Going under my chin, down my neck. I'm taking the Essence blush in 10 Befitting. I'm going to use that to put some color on my cheeks. Going over my nose so I can be sunburnt and sun-kissed. And I have this, it's the Nubian by Juvia'S loose highlighter in Nefertiti. And I'm not sure if it's going to be too dark on me. I'm going to try it. It might mess up my whole look, but we'll see. Kind of like a gold type color, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, it might be a little too dark for me, but we're gonna roll with it today. I'm gonna put this brown, I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. It's the same I have on my outer corner. a real pretty brown. It's got some kind of purple in it. Really pretty. I'm gonna put that same color I got in my inner corner on my very inner corner as a highlight. I'm going to put this Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner in BCC. I'm going to put that on my my inner rim of my lower lash line. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes again, my little sample. I'm taking the BH Cosmetics So Extra High Shine Plumping Lip Gloss in Caffeinated. And I'm going to put that on my lips. I'm going to use some Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Alright, this is the final look using the Mauves palette by Juvia'S Place. I really enjoyed using this palette. I love the shades that I use, especially the sparkly shade. I think it turned out really beautiful. I don't know about that highlighter. I might have to pass that along to a friend. It might be a little too dark for me, but gives me a nice golden sheen though. Makes me look bronzed. But I think this palette is a real winner. I definitely recommend this palette if you're thinking about picking it up. Everything blended well. The shimmers went on really well with just a brush without having to spray or anything. So I really enjoyed using this palette. It was easy to use, like I said, very blendable. So I have the other two of the new palettes. I have the Sweet Pinks and the Taupes, and we'll have to try those out. I've seen some reviews and some of them have had trouble with the Taupes, so we'll have to try that out. I'm not sure which one I'll do next, but we're going to try those out in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for that. Also, I still have my giveaway going on. I'll probably pick a winner here in the next day or so. So if you want to enter, just make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I have 3 palettes that you can choose from if you are the winner. It's the ColourPop Whatever palette, the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, or the Juvia'S Place Nubian palette. So if you comment below, just leave a comment of which of those you would want if you won. I think that's all for me today. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family. Ring the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload my amazing content. And yeah, I think that's all. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.